Welcome to implement energy risk management step by step. In the next few minutes, we will explore how to identify, assess, and mitigate the risks that energy organizations face in volatile markets. This is practical, actionable knowledge from the full Udemy course. Let us get started. We begin by understanding the core risks that define energy markets and why they demand structured management approaches. Energy risk management revolves around several key categories that every professional in the sector must understand and monitor. Price volatility is the most visible risk in energy markets, directly impacting revenues, costs, and investment decisions. Supply chain disruptions can cascade across entire economies, making resilience planning essential for energy organizations. Regulatory shifts, such as carbon pricing or emissions mandates, can fundamentally alter business models overnight. As the energy mix evolves, organizations must manage the financial and operational risks of transitioning to renewables. Geopolitical tensions in key producing regions can trigger sudden price spikes and supply shortages. Now let us explore the strategies and tools we use to hedge against energy market risks and protect organizational value. Here are the primary hedging strategies mapped to the energy risks they address and their expected benefits. Futures contracts allow us to fix energy prices ahead of time, providing the cost certainty our financial planning requires. By diversifying our energy sources and maintaining strategic reserves, we buffer against unexpected supply interruptions. Scenario planning enables us to model different regulatory futures and build flexibility into our compliance strategies. A diversified energy portfolio helps us manage the gradual shift from fossil fuels to renewables without excessive exposure. A structured risk assessment framework ensures we identify, evaluate, and respond to energy risks systematically. We start by identifying every risk exposure across our energy portfolio, from market prices to regulatory changes. Each risk is then assessed for its probability of occurrence and the potential financial and operational impact. We apply targeted mitigation strategies including hedging instruments, insurance, and operational controls. Continuous monitoring of key risk indicators ensures we detect emerging threats before they materialize. Regular reviews of our risk management outcomes allow us to refine strategies and adapt to evolving market conditions. The evolution from traditional to modern energy risk management reflects the increasing complexity of today's energy landscape. Traditional approaches often left organizations exposed because they reacted to risks rather than anticipating them. Modern energy risk management leverages data, cross-functional integration, and forward-looking scenarios to stay ahead of threats. Technical tools alone are not enough. We must also build an organizational culture that embraces proactive risk management. Defining our risk appetite ensures every decision maker understands how much risk the organization is willing to accept. When risk thinking becomes part of everyday operations, we catch potential issues early before they escalate. Educated teams make better decisions because they understand the market forces that drive energy risk. Transparent reporting builds trust and ensures leadership can make informed strategic decisions about risk exposure. Let us recap the essential insights from our exploration of energy risk management. Understanding the full spectrum of energy risks is the foundation for effective management. The right hedging tools, applied strategically, shield us from the most damaging market movements. Frameworks turn risk management from ad hoc reactions into a disciplined, repeatable process. Without the right culture, even the best risk management tools will fail to protect the organization. If this preview gave you valuable insights, the full Udemy course goes much deeper with practical frameworks, real-world case studies, and step-by-step exercises to build your energy risk management capabilities. Enroll today and take control of your energy risk exposure. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the full course. Until then, stay proactive about energy risk.